The 10 most effective exercises to do at home. Everyone begins their weight loss journey for different reasons, at different points in life. Whatever the reason, you deserve a round of applause. This is a huge decision, and it means that you are aware. There are strength and power in that. In this video, we'll look into the most effective fat-burning weight loss exercises to do at home and why you should start trying. 1. Elliptical. Ellipticals are designed to be low impact, so they are easy on the joints. They are also versatile because they offer a range of intensities, speeds, and resistance. For maximum burning, add an incline to your workout. This will activate conditioning in the legs and glutes. Lower inclines and increased intensity work well for the quads. 2. Jumping rope. Athletes, especially boxers, are known for training with this fat-burning exercise. Besides being one cheap piece of equipment, the benefits are amazing. Jumping rope helps strengthen footwork, builds and strengthens upper back and shoulders, enhances coordination, and also allows one to burn about 500 calories in just 30 minutes. Intervals are the best way to engage in this workout. Many are unable to jump rope for 30 minutes straight. This is also a great hotel and travel workout for the frequent traveler. Simply throw the rope into your suitcase and you will be able to continue your commitment to burning fat while traveling. 3. Kettlebells. This is a great workout. It is a combined double impact workout. It offers cardio and strength training all in one. The calories burned are both aerobic calorie and anaerobic exercises. Consider this the cardio exercise that builds muscle. A great way to make this exercise fun and create a group workout is to use shred it with weights. A method came up by Jillian Michael, who creates an empowering vibe with unique alternatives for injuries. 4. Running, walking stairs, no equipment needed. Like the kettlebell, stair climbing is both cardio, aerobic and anaerobic exercise. Stair climbing burns fat by utilizing the largest metabolically active muscles. It conditions and strengthens many parts of the body. Works out the lower body legs, glutes, and quads. Increases core muscle strength. Tones the body. Helps build bone strength because it is a weight-bearing exercise. 5. Bike riding. Bike riding, both stationary and not, have great fat-burning benefits. To get there, the intensity has to be moderate. Maximizing the calorie and fat burn require interval training. Consider doing really high intensity for a few minutes, then decreasing the intensity for a few minutes, and so on. Like stairs and kettlebell, bike riding is an aerobic-anaerobic cardio and strength. 6. Push-ups. Can be done everywhere. They are easy with explosive benefits, posture improvement, whole body muscle toning, strengthens vitality and helps prevent shoulder and back injuries. Because push-ups build muscle, and muscle means lean muscle mass, push-ups contribute to your body working harder to keep the system running, hence, burning fat. 7. Jumping jacks. This exercise forces you to work all of your muscles at once. This means that your body is working extra hard, therefore, increasing your heart rate and burning a lot of calories and fat. Jumping jacks are known to be one of the best cardio workouts. Because of the full body usage, it is one of the fastest ways to burn fat. 8. Agility ladder. An agility ladder offers a really inexpensive yet effective and versatile workout. It offers cardio and strength training benefits, making it full impact. There are a variety of movements that can be done: sideways walking, shuffles, a variety of hopping, backward lunges, etc. 9. Squat jumps. Squats jump offers amazing toning benefits for glutes, calves, hamstrings, quadriceps, and core. They are considered a plyometric workout and exercise that builds power. With more power, we're able to generate force faster. These benefits offer aging benefits, helping with functionality as we age. 10. Mountain climbers. Mountain climbers are great for belly fat. This is a core strengthening workout, targeting hips and shoulders. The more intensity used, the more effective, which leads to greater fat loss. Exercising from home is a great way to burn fat. It is cost-effective and can fit into any schedule. It is a good idea to review your plan with your physician. Equally important, mindfulness. Mindfulness is the key to fat burning and losing weight. A proper diet and commitment to your goals is the perfect recipe for weight loss success. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your family and friends. Please remember to subscribe my channel to see more videos like this in the future. Thanks for watching.